What's good, everybody, and welcome back to the rooftop grow lab. And I don't know, only rooftop cannabis garden. That's outdoor as well, nothing artificial, everything organic. And we're just doing our best with nature. So if you guys were I've been here for a while, you would have been familiar with the video that I made teaching you guys how to make organic ferments for your cannabis plant, your house plant, your veggies. It doesn't matter what it is, these can be used on it, right? So we made this about 13 days ago. I honestly forgot about it, I'm not gonna lie, because I have a lot of ferments already in my fridge. So I honestly forgot about this one because I only made it to like show you guys the process. But just remembered it, checked on it, and just gonna give it the smell test. Let's say if you're Jamaican or maybe a part of the Caribbean, you'd be familiar with like dragon stout or what we call Guinness. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that in your country, but it has that smell, like it legit smell like dragon or Guinness. Let's give it a shake test to see what's going on with these microbes. See them bubbles? So there is definitely microbes within this, and this is ready. So if you did follow us and made this, if you harvested already within 5 days, that's okay. But what you'll do with this now, you'll basically get a strainer, cheesecloth or something of that sort, and then you'll strain this, remove all the gunk, because those will cause it to go bad, right? Unless you're planning to keep this in a fermented state so you can add more, and I recommend not to, because that can spoil it as well by adding new stuff. But say for example the bananas that you have, the leaves are quite, or the skin is quite rotted, you can actually add those with more molasses. It's just that it will take a time to speed up the fermenting, and it will need a safe, a better place than you had it before to store. It has to be dark. Microbes don't like light, so even me exposing this to the sun is actually killing microbes by the minute. So yeah, this is basically it. This is ready, and this is a very, very good nutrient feeding nutrient for your cannabis plant, especially during the flowering stage. All right guys, thank you so much for your time. Take care, stay safe.